Hello everyone, this is Rashid Khan, your science teacher from Lakshmi Prasad Memorial Public School, LPM Bazaar, Gorakhpur. And class will have to discuss on the topic that is chapter number 12 given as electricity and circuit. So on that particular topic we'll have to discuss. On first we will discuss to the electricity. Electricity. What is electricity? Electricity is the daily routine uses in our daily life. As you have turn on the bulb, the fan, refrigerator, washing machine, motor, electrical motor, whatever it is. All those things needed energy. This energy is runs every day in our life, and some of the energy that can convert it from one medium to another medium. You know very well the energy can neither be created, neither be destroyed, but it can change its form. So the electricity is also a form of energy which has to be used to work with a very efficiency in the different means of our daily life. As you know, whenever in case of a winter, whenever we have pulled off our muffler, jacket, clothes as well, there is a spark or a shock you have feel. This is why, this is because of the changing of form of a energy. Here is energy get changed into another form through which the electricity you may experience or feel. And the flow of charge is termed as current, electric current. So what is the electricity? By the flowing of a charge, when there is an energy converted and you could do the different or various tasks, that is done by the electricity as well. So what is actually the electricity? Electricity, we can say every time when you switch off light, bulb, fan, motor, washing machine, etc., that can be the electricity that is working for you. Due to this energy, these are all equipments are run away. You can see the electricity in case of your homes, offices, airport, bus station, railways, wherever you can see there is lighting and supplying of electricity in the sense to complete or manage all the arrangement in its way. So that is required by energy has to be complete or fulfilled by the electricity. Supplying the electricity, this type of electricity is known as current electricity. So we'll have to discuss on electric current. What is an electric current? The term is given as electric. It is derived from the electron. Electric is derived from electron. That means flow of electron. Flow of electron. That is called as electric. Current, when these electrons are flow in this way, in a medium of current, like air current, water current, and etc. That is flow in a straight line. So the electron will also flow in a straight line. This electron is a charged particle. So we can say this is the charged particle. Which type of a charged particle? electrical charge particle. Electrically charged, electrically either might be the positive, either might be the negative, but the electrons shown already the electrical negative charges on it. So we can say the flow of charges, that is called current. Which type of a current? This is what we are this is what we are discuss about regarding, it is regarding to the electron. So that is called as electric current. Current that flows in an electrical medium, that is called as a electric current. So this is the electric current. Wherever you can see, when you switch on a fan, the blade rotating. Why the blade rotating? There is a flow of electrons takes place, and these electron tends to forward the next or neighboring electrons to move its energy to the another one, and by moving this energy, the consumption of energy has to be provide a sufficient or efficient amount of energy to rotate the fan as well, the blade of a fan. When an electric current flows through the any other form or in any other tube or bulb or having filament, evacuated glass chamber, that is a tube light, we can know. Change the flow through the filament and gives off their energy to heat it. So the electrical energy get converted into light energy, and from where the cell also gives us energy in the form of light energy. That means from the chemical energy it will produces electrical energy. So the change of form of energy takes place over there, and through which the electric current can flow. You can see the flow of electrons takes place in such a particular cases. Here we can know about what are the sources of energy. So we'll have to know the sources of energy. What is the source of energy? Sources of electricity or electric current. Sources of electric current. There are the numerous sources by which the electric current can be generated, but some of them are electric cell. Electric cell. Second one is torch bulb. Torch bulb. Connecting wires. Next one is battery. So all these way we can produce the electric current. How the electric cell represent, how it produces electric current, we'll discuss on it. Here we can see a cell. called as an electric cell. Suppose how it works. There is a positive terminal and there is negative terminal. By these two terminals these two opposite terminals, the energy can transfer. So we can say the electric cell is the form of chemical compositions. These chemicals get changes into electrical energy. The chemical energy converted into electrical energy. There might be the electric current can be produced by operating the store of when there is store form of energy is in the torches or any other sources. Open a torch from its back. There is take out what is inside. These are electric cells. The cells are arranged in that form, 2 or 3, that are called as a switch electric battery, which give energy to torch to light up. It is also used in alarm clock, wrist glass, transistor, radio, camera, etc. An electric cell is a cylindrical in shape, having a metal cap and a base. The metal cap act as a positive terminals and the base act as a negative terminals. There are the different type of electric cell used in various purposes. The cells used in a torch in a dry cells. When connected in the circuit, these cells light up. This is because the chemical inside the cells start reacting with each other to supply the electrical energy to the light bulb. When all the chemicals in the electric cells are used up, the electric cell stop producing electricity. Then it has to be replaced with a new one, that is called as electric cell. Next one is torch bulb. Torch bulb. What is the torch bulb used for? A torch bulb is this is a torch bulb. This is the torch bulb. And here you can see two type of rod are set up in this way, through which a tube is taken in. And by which here you can see the bulb. This can be seen by having the glass. This is the glass cover, and thin wire and that is metal. So we can say when we observe the torch bulb, these bulb are this is thin wire inside the bulb is called the filament of the bulb, that is called as a filament of the bulb. These are the thin filament of the bulb that is made by the tungsten, and it is the filament which glows when the electricity is supplied. There are two thick wires are provided to support the filament. This filament has to be, these two wire has to be supplied the strength to connect it on the metal case of the base of the bulb, and the other is connected to the metal tip. One is from the metal tip and other is connected from the cover of the bulb. The two terminals are fixed in such a way that they do not touch each other. The electric bulbs used at a home also have same design. In it, our home and it also have a same design. Now we will discuss later on to the next topic, to the next day.